Yo, what's going on, you guys? Sus Mendoza here. I was in the middle of doing the trail, hiking the trail, but I'm gonna end up rock climbing, maybe rock climbing, I guess you can say that. I don't have gear for that, but like, I'm gonna make my way up to the top of that mountain right here. So I just decided to make a whole separate video for that, in case people are just more interested in seeing rock climbing over walking down the trails and stuff. But yeah, check it out. This is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna continue walking the trail from the last video, but this right here is just something I just had to do. And I'm just gonna record my way up, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Yo, what's poppin', guys? So I climbed up like probably half of it so far. I still gotta get more up there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is how high up we are right now. Started right down over there, and we're gonna just make our way up. I'm actually not gonna film my whole way up because I'm almost out of battery and left my other battery back at home. So we're just gonna have to go up there, and then once I get up there, I'll show you all the view and everything, and that'll be it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Yo, what's going on, guys? We're at like the first point of entrance. I'm climbing all the way down there up to here. It's kind of a long walk up. I still gotta make my way up towards over there. I'll show you all that right now, but I just want to show y'all how far I got up and what I climbed. I ended up having to climb up the rocks that were right down over there. They were right down over there, up in that area. I had to climb up, make my way up here so I could be on top of here. I don't have any hiking gear, nothing like that. Just coming out, just doing it. We just gotta hope I make my way back down. But yeah, that's where I started, all the way down there. And I'm slowly just making my way up. I think I'll probably get up enough to show you guys that stream waterfall, like right there, and that'll be it for the rest of the video. I hope y'all are enjoying this so far. So I'm enjoying it. Probably just make my way down this and end up climbing right up there, and then just make my way back afterwards. But yeah, check it out, guys. It's pretty dope out here. Yo, what's going on? I just climbed down the top of that right there, and now I'm gonna make my way to the waterfall. As you guys can see right here, it's just a whole water stream that I'm gonna have to walk up on. But the reason why I'm recording right now is because I don't know if this video's gonna be a little too short. I don't want it to be too short. I want to give as much content and interact with y'all as much as I can while filming. So once I make my way up to that waterfall, it's like right up there. We're pretty close to it. I just gotta make my way through all this water. But yeah, it's pretty nice. We've actually came up pretty far, if you ask me. Honestly didn't expect that I was gonna go up this high, but you know, I just had to do it. But yeah, check it out. Yo, what's going on, y'all? I made it up to the waterfall. I'm gonna go more up right now and show like from downwards from the waterfall, but I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I'm trying to do as much footage and try to get as much footage as I can for everyone out here. It's pretty exciting because it's like, you know, I don't get to show the whole journey of coming up here, but it's a whole journey coming up here, and it's pretty fun. It's fun doing it, filming it, and for y'all to see this world that we live in and how much there's so much to do. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video and you'll have a great day. I'm gonna go ahead and go right over there, film that for a little bit, and then I'll end out the video. And I hope everyone enjoyed it. I had a great time filming today and getting as much content as I could. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have a lot more content coming out. I'm either thinking about getting more recording equipment, or maybe just a mountain bike for the meanwhile, so that I can have something else to show y'all instead of just hiking all the time. But it just really depends. We'll see what happens. Regardless, we're gonna get both those things sooner or later. But yeah, check it out. This is where I'm at right now. It's pretty dope. Let me just show y'all how high I climbed up today for y'all, and I really hope y'all enjoy it. See all that snow all the way down there, that's where I was. Probably like there's like a little patch, like probably somewhere down there. But yeah, I ended up climbing up that rock's right there and climbed up to here, then hiked down and started walking up this stream, and then I made my way up to here, and now we're here. And it's pretty sick. I'll get in and out the video right now after I get up there, but thanks for watching. Yo, what's poppin'? I made it up to the end of this waterfall, right where like the snow starts to, it's starting to melt. But I climbed up a lot higher than I expected to, and I'm honestly not gonna lie to y'all, I'm somewhat tempted to just climb all the way to the top, but at the same time I don't really know if I should. Plus my camera's about to die. But yeah, check it out. This is a little waterfall that starts and just leads all the way down the mountain. But you know what, guys, today's a good day. I'll make my way all the way up to the top, end the video off there for sure this time, and then we can call it a day. But yeah, honestly having some fun out here. It's pretty dope. I haven't taken a water break or nothing. I'm gonna take one probably when I start making my way down. Trying to save as much energy as I can. We're gonna make it up to the top, film from up there, show you what they have, and then that's it. I hope y'all have enjoyed it so far. I'm sorry if it's like a little bit too much going on, but hey, you didn't expect it, neither did I. That's the best thing about coming out here. You don't know what to expect. You just do whatever you want, you know what I'm saying? But y'all enjoy the rest. Yo, check it out, guys. We're almost to the top. This is how far I made it up. Made it up all the way up here, and our goal is that big rock up there. And I'm making my way up there. Hopefully my camera doesn't die, but let's keep going. I hope y'all enjoyed the rest of the video. Check it out, guys. I climbed all the way up here for y'all. It's pretty cold out here, throwing the hoodie. I don't have nothing else really to keep you warm out here, but yeah, it's nice as hell out here. But check it out. I guess the trail started like all the way down there, because you can see the freeway right there. When you walk in, I walked in all the way through here, climbed all the way up. Now we're up here. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate y'all if y'all stayed this long through the video. I know it's a lot that went on in this video, but I just did it because it's beautiful, and might as well get you guys some content that you guys can enjoy out here. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for me. This hike was pretty much a big one for me. But yeah, more to come. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna leave y'all with this, and y'all have a great day.